Ever wondered how a middle-class boy from Yemen became one of the world's richest men? Picture a young Mukesh Ambani, born in Yemen in the spring of 1957. His father, Dhirubhai Ambani, was a modest gas station attendant. But life was about to change dramatically for the Ambani family. They packed their belongings and embarked on a journey to India, a place filled with promise and potential. Here, Dhirubhai saw an opportunity and launched into the textile business, laying the foundation for what would eventually become the colossal Reliance Group. A middle-class life in Yemen, a move to India, and a visionary father marked the beginning of Mukesh Ambani's extraordinary journey. Education and mentorship played crucial roles in shaping Mukesh Ambani's future. As a young man, Mukesh pursued chemical engineering at the University of Bombay, later stepping onto the global stage at Stanford University to attain a master's degree in business administration. This academic journey equipped him with a depth of knowledge and a wealth of skills that would complement his inherent entrepreneurial spirit. His father, Dhirubhai Ambani, was not just a parent but also his mentor, his visionary guide. Dhirubhai, the founder of Reliance Industries, had an uncanny ability to identify opportunities and take calculated risks, a trait that he passed down to his son. In 1981, Mukesh Ambani joined the family business, Reliance Industries. He dove into various sectors within the company, learning the ropes, understanding the intricacies, and gaining invaluable experience. From textiles to petrochemicals, from refining to marketing, Mukesh's early career was a masterclass in business management and strategic planning. As he moved through the ranks, he absorbed the ethos of the company, the industry, and the market, all of which would prove instrumental in his future ventures. Armed with a solid educational background and practical experience, Mukesh Ambani was ready to make his mark. In 2016, Mukesh Ambani made a move that would disrupt the Indian telecom market. And so the game-changing venture, Reliance Jio, was born. Ambani's strategy was as audacious as it was brilliant. He offered free voice calls and data services. It was a risk, a big one, but it paid off. The Indian telecom market, once a tough battleground, was taken by storm. Jio's user base skyrocketed, racking up millions of subscribers in just a few months. This wasn't just about making a profit, it was about making a difference. It was about providing affordable and accessible connectivity to millions of Indians. With Jio, Mukesh Ambani not only disrupted the telecom industry but also secured his position on the global stage. Mukesh Ambani's journey didn't stop with telecommunications. He steered Reliance Industries into uncharted territories, diversifying into retail, petrochemicals, and energy. His vision led to the acquisition of prominent retail brands like JioMart, marking a significant move into the e-commerce space. More so, he established collaborations with international behemoths like Facebook, bringing a global perspective to local markets. This strategic diversification and expansion were not just about increasing his wealth, but about transforming and elevating India's business ecosystem. Through strategic diversification and expansion, Mukesh Ambani continues to redefine India's business landscape. What can we learn from Mukesh Ambani's journey to wealth? As we delve into the philosophy of wealth, we find striking parallels between Mukesh Ambani's path and the principles of Robert Kiyosaki's Rich Dad, Poor Dad. The essence of this bestseller lies in the importance of financial education and strategic investment, two pillars that have been fundamental in Ambani's ascent to the top. His relentless quest for knowledge and his strategic foresight in seizing lucrative opportunities echo Kiyosaki's teachings. Mukesh Ambani's extraordinary rise is a testament to the power of vision, perseverance, and strategic investment. It's a story of entrepreneurial brilliance that continues to inspire millions.